What's going on, everybody? Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jeff with Beatrice the Miata. We're back here in the man cave room, and I have lots of goodies that I've purchased over the last 3 weeks. The last video, I don't quite remember exactly what it was about, but anyway, to kind of stem off of, I think I remember what the last video was. I replaced the engine in my boss's car. It paid me $800 to do it. I had, I think in total, I had about $950 to spend on the car, and I did so. I have like $30 left over, so that kind of sucks. Anyway, I bought a lot of stuff. Pretty much everything I've bought come off of eBay, which I know a lot of people are like, oh, eBay's junk, whatever. But if you buy the name brand stuff, it's name brand stuff, so it's still the same, whether you buy it off their website or off of eBay's. So, anyway, let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, everybody. We got the cat helping out today. Say hi, kitty. Hey. Hey. Say hi to the people of YouTube. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Or not. Okay, that's cool too. Anyway, I got some coilovers. I purchased the Yonaka brand. They sent me a lot of goodies. They sent me 2 different stickers, white and black. They also sent me a medium-sized t-shirt, which I'm too fat for medium. Sent me a lanyard. And it came with 2 different spanners, a small one and a big one. So, anyway, yeah. Sorry about the last video. I'm a mouth breather, so bear with me. Allergies. And what's really cool is that these ones are height adjustable, dampening rate adjustable, and spring tension adjustability. So that's pretty cool. And they also labeled the ones that go to the rear and the front with a sticker, so you don't get confused where they go. I purchased this off of eBay for about $430 for the set. So that's a pretty good deal, I think. Anyway, we'll put all this stuff back in here. Let's see. Oh, I got a Raceland header, stainless steel 421 style. You see it there. But this one was free. I got it for free because the other one that I bought had a hole in it. They didn't finish the weld that went around the EGR bung, so I took it to a local shop down here, and he chopped off the bung and actually welded it shut. So now I have a fully emission-free car. Yay! Which kind of isn't good because in Missouri we do emissions devices. They don't do actual like emission testing like in St. Louis County. So anyway, enough with the chatter there. But yeah, if anybody wants a 1.8 liter Raceland header, just hit me up. I'll sell it to you on the cheap side. And I also got an aftermarket 2-core radiator. It comes with fans already assembled, and the fans have the appropriate connectors. So all I gotta do is just plug and play on this. So that's wonderful, yay! Anyway, enough with that. Might be kind of hard to see with the light, but there you go. That is the header. I have the heater core hoses. I'm gonna wrap this one. I'm gonna try to pull it off in one piece, but the heater core outlet on this one is actually damaged from the previous person. So I'm kind of scared that the heater core is gonna leak, and if it does, then I'm kind of screwed because I'll have to pull the dash. And I don't really want to do that. But anyway, I wrapped the header. It is not wrapped properly, so don't ask if I wrapped it properly, because I'll tell you right off the bat I didn't. Thank you guys for watching this fast and long episode. So say bye. Hey, say bye, kitty. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, never mind. Okay, bye guys. See ya.